the points. So that'll create a circle right there. Now we need to extract a point from that circle. So let's go here to evaluate curve. And there are other different ways we can do this, but we'll use evaluate curve on this example. The circle is going to be the input for the curve, and the parameter is going to be, if this were 0 to 1, where along that curve would you extract the point? So we'll go here to 0.500, and then reparameterize the curve input. This way, when I move it around, it goes from the beginning and then all the way around. So now we have a way to react to just one specific point. Now we need to create the point attractor, which would be